Hello, I am Yaya and this is Lily's. And today we have a pin unboxing. I got this one from Box Lunch. Lily's, watch out. I really want, I think it was this one and this one. I do like that one too. Lily's, do you want to choose? She wants this one. See the glare? That's her pick. And we do have this one. Oh, where did this one come? Stitch Ears Outfit. Then we have this one. And this one is called Disney Show Dogs. Lois, do you want to choose? You want to choose? She wants a treat. Do you want to choose? And she chooses this one. I actually really want that one too. I'm okay with any of them, but that one's one of the ones I really wanted. I was going to show you this one that I did open, and I got Stitch. I did want a Stitch, and I still want Pooh Bear, and I did get Stitch. But I don't know where I left it. Oh, and then I did want to show you guys a mug that I got last time. Nice. Both sides, both sides. And it's metal. Lolis, which one do we open first? Stitch? Okay. So we're going to go with Stitch first. Then we'll do the Show Dog. And then Stitch again. And we got, oh my god, it's so cute. And it's big. Let me put it in my pimple. It's pretty big. I don't have one near me so I could show how big. A treat for Lolies. Okay, next one we're going to do a Show Dog. Oh my god, I don't remember his name. But that is cute and it's shiny. Can you see? There you go. Boy, stop going so in the edge. Here, last piece. Oh, watch out. Let's do another Show Dog because we have 3 of these. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys. And 2 of the Stitch ones. Oh, fine. Oh, I think we got the same one. Yes, the same one. So we have 2 of these. Link in the comments. What is his name? I totally forgot. Oh, I lost one of the backings. We're going to do the last Stitch one. You gonna chill over there? You're not in the camera. Okay. Keep looking at it. Yeah! Was this one? Yeah, this one's one of the ones I wanted. There it is. I think they're pretty big. I'm not sure if the other one's bigger than this one. We'll check right now. And last one. The Show Dog one. Oh, I did get the Show Dog one in Hot Topic. And the Stitch one in Box Lunch. And I did get this one. They couldn't show you right now. In Hot Topic. I'll see if I can find it. And I'll show you it to you guys next video. or in a video. All of my videos are scrambled. And this one is what's his name? Oh my god, I'm always blanking out. Oh, Tramp. The easiest one. I'm gonna see if I could trade one of the other one. So I could get one of the ones I really wanted. But these are pretty cute. I'm glad I got them. They're similar size. They're actually pretty big. I was hoping to show them with my other ones. And these are the ones I got. I'll probably have this one for trade. Awesome. Lolly's last treat for a goodbye. What? Does baby want a treat? She goes crazy for treats. Up, come here. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.